This is the XKE's XKE-40. It's a programmable USB keyboard, and it is the rack mount version that comes with these 19-inch rack ears for mounting into a rack. So this is the packaging here. And not much else on the outside. So let's open this up here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Free warranty extension, so you could add up to 3 years to your XKE factory warranty. Comes with a 1-year warranty, so I guess that's 4 years total. Just need to register it. Here you have the product manual for it. You will need to get the programming software MacroWorks. All right. New XKE Stickless Legends. So these apparently go underneath the keys. You don't have to use any adhesive. Let's take a look at the different keys that you get here as far as the stickers are concerned. So these are blank. You could just write or possibly print on these and use them. Then you can print out legends from MacroWorks. You can get acrylic printed sheets. These are additional keycaps. They look like they are double. So these cover 2 keys. And then you get this key puller here. Now for the actual keyboard. Lots of bubble wrap. And there we have it. So they don't make a mechanical click sound. They do feel a little soft. I would describe it as a little mushy. You can see the red and the green LED lights there. And here is the cable with the USB-A end. It's like a pretty decently long cable there. On the back of it, made in the USA by Pi Engineering, or PI Engineering. They are the no slogan company. There's no lead in here. All right. So there you have it. That is the XKE's XKE-40 programmable USB keyboard.